Hi, I'm Alex Rodriguez, a distribution owner here at Cavallo. Today, I'm going to show you how to expedite your orders with workflow so you never miss an important order again. Let's get started. For the purpose of this tip, let's assume that I'm a business owner and I've identified a problem in my business where sometimes important orders just aren't getting picked up and managed as fast as we would like. So to help with this problem, I'm going to institute a process wherein my sales reps can flag an order to be expedited, and that will update our process so that we'll give special priority to this order. And if I take a look at my mission control right now, I can see one of my orders has Expedite in its doc title, which is what I've told my sales reps to do to signal that to our warehouse team. All that needs to be done now is update my workflow configuration so that this can take effect. To do that, let's jump over to workflow configuration. So I'll pick workflows and I'll choose my order workflow. And what I'm going to do is add a new alternate path out of a new order, which will check for that expedited word in the doc title and move it to the appropriate queue. So to do that, I'm going to expand the new order section and I'm going to choose to edit it. Once I'm in edit mode, I'm going to hit add alternate path and choose to set up a new conditional path. And I'll name this one expedited orders. From here, I choose the conditions that will govern whether the document will go down this path. So I'll choose to check a field from the order. And what I'm going to do is choose my doc title field, which is actually one of my custom fields in Business Central. From there, I'm going to choose that I want to check this if the doc title contains the word expedite. And if that's the case, I would like my documents to move into a new queue named expedited picking. I'll hit add queue there, and then I'll save this queue. And then just as some housekeeping, I'll move my new expedited picking queue up here in my workflow, and I'll set that up so that once we're done with that picking, it'll move into shipping, just like my normal picking queue. With this done, I'll apply the changes to my workflow. And if I head back to mission control now, I should see that I have a new queue available. Now if I open up my workflow and find my expedited documents, if I go ahead and submit this document to the workflow now, I'll see that it jumped over into the expedited picking queue. Whereas if I were to take one of my other orders that doesn't have that title and submit it, I'll see that it jumped down into picking. And that's how you use Cavallo Distribution Cloud's workflow to expedite your orders. If you have any questions, please feel free to enter them in the comment section down below, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you'd like to see any more tips and tricks. Thanks!